Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, we're going to work on getting the shiplap demoed off. And if I can do one wall this recording session, then I'll be satisfied. So if you have questions about what I'm doing, make sure to drop them in the comment section. Like and share this video, and go check out our other content. And also check us out on our other socials on Facebook and Instagram. I also post there as well. So without further hesitation, let's get into the clip. Hey everybody, Bigfoot here. Sorry I got into my work a little bit there, but I'm thinking I'm gonna wrap there for today. I'm gonna get this huge mess cleaned up. As you can see, it's quite a bit of boards. So I hope you enjoyed the content. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and put any questions that you have in the comment section. Now's the time where you can go check out some of the other content and enjoy. I've got tons of different things you can watch there, and basically just follow along on the journey out here at the farmhouse, the land, just fixing everything up and doing cool, fun stuff. So I hope you enjoyed. Appreciate y'all. Bigfoot out.